how to automate LinkedIn with N8N and AI. Welcome to this AutomateNG training. Today, you will learn how to send personalized LinkedIn messages automatically using N8N. Whether you are in sales, run a business, or want to grow your network, this guide is for you. By the end, you will have a clear system for reaching hundreds of ideal clients. LinkedIn remains one of the most powerful platforms for professionals, boasting over 900 million users. Studies show LinkedIn messages get 4 times more replies than cold email. For sales and B2B partnerships, outreach here is essential. When you add automation, it becomes unstoppable. Doing LinkedIn outreach manually is exhausting and prone to errors. You spend hours to reach just 20 people, leading to inconsistent follow-ups and missed opportunities. Scaling beyond 20 to 30 messages a day is impossible due to human fatigue. Automation provides the better way. 8N8 is an open-source workflow automation tool. It acts as a digital engine that connects apps, APIs, and AI models visually. No advanced coding is required. It's used by over 400,000 businesses worldwide and lets you build flows that run automatically. Our automated system involves 5 steps: build a leads list, enrich it with AI, generate personalized messages, send them via LinkedIn, and finally, track status and manage follow-ups. This engine runs 24/7, allowing you to focus on closing deals. The first step is building a quality lead list. Use LinkedIn Search or Sales Navigator to filter by job title or industry. Export key data, name, role, company, and URL to a Google Sheet. Aim for 50 to 200 quality leads per campaign, because quality always beats quantity. Next, connect N8N to your Google Sheet. Create a free N8N cloud account and add a Google Sheets trigger node. Authenticate your account and select your leads spreadsheet. Set the trigger so that any new row added automatically starts the outreach process. The next magical step is personalization using the OpenAI node. Feed the lead's information into a structured prompt. The AI generates a unique, professional, and friendly message for each person, referencing their specific work or industry. This makes every outreach feel genuinely personal. A generic message gets ignored. A great AI-generated message references their role and company, states your value, and includes a soft call to action. Keep connection requests under 300 characters and conversational. This shift dramatically increases acceptance and reply rates. When sending messages, you must respect LinkedIn's limits. Use the official LinkedIn API or integration tools like Phantom Buster with an N8N HTTP request node. Always set daily limits between 20 to 50 requests. Following these terms is crucial to avoid account restrictions. Follow-ups are essential for closing deals. Your N8N workflow tracks lead status automatically. The sequence includes follow-ups on day 3, day 7, and a final reminder on day 14 if no reply is received. The system automatically stops messaging the moment a reply is detected. This visual overview shows the complete N8N workflow. It triggers from your sheet, reads data, generates AI messages, sends them, tracks status, manages follow-ups, checks for replies, and updates your sheet. Once built, this seamless automation runs continuously, maximizing your outreach efforts. A freelance designer used this system to automate outreach to marketing managers. The messages were personalized to company branding. The result was a 3x increase in client inquiries per week and over 15 hours saved weekly. That's more time for actual work. A business coach targeted 150 startup CEOs. The AI personalized messages based on the founder's funding stages. This led to 12 discovery calls booked in 2 weeks, generating over $6,000 in new coaching contracts. The return on investment for automation is significant. A SaaS company reached 500 HR managers with personalization focused on company size and HR challenges. They booked 85 product demos with 0 ad spend. This 17% conversion rate highlights the effectiveness of combining AI personalization with robust workflow automation. Here are all the tools in your automation stack. N8N has a free tier, Google Sheets is free, and the OpenAI API is affordable. LinkedIn's basic account is free, and Phantom Buster also offers a free tier. The total monthly cost for this entire system is typically under $30. Setting up N8N is simple. Sign up for free, create a new workflow, and add nodes for Google Sheets, OpenAI, and HTTP requests. Connect these nodes in sequence and, critically, always test with a single lead before launching the full campaign to avoid errors. The AI prompt is the heart of your personalization engine. Use a template like this one to specify the name, job title, and company. Set a friendly tone, specify a short length, and ensure you include a soft call to action with no hard pitch. Avoid these common mistakes: sending too many requests, which triggers LinkedIn limits, using generic prompts, skipping the essential test run, and failing to set up a follow-up sequence. Also, always provide value and never ignore incoming replies. When someone replies, the automation detects it and updates the lead status in Google Sheets, marking them as interested or not now. Hot leads are moved to personal outreach. You can use AI to draft suggested replies, which you should always approve before sending. What gets measured gets improved. Use your Google Sheet as a simple CRM to track key metrics like messages sent, replies, and meetings booked. The industry average reply rate is 10 to 15%, but with good personalization, you can achieve 25 to 40%. Once your first campaign works, scaling is easy. Move from one campaign to 3, targeting different audiences. Advanced users can employ multiple LinkedIn accounts or combine this with email automation for multi-channel outreach. The system scales as your business grows. Advanced techniques include AI sentiment analysis to auto-tag replies and Calendly integration for instant meeting scheduling. You can also sync leads directly to your CRM and run multi-language campaigns for global reach. This provides a genuine competitive advantage. To stay safe, limit requests to 20 to 50 per day and warm up new accounts gradually. Avoid bulk messaging that violates LinkedIn's terms, and always include a way to opt out. Safety, compliance, and consistency are key to long-term account health. LinkedIn automation is a core growth strategy organized into a funnel. The top is connection requests, the middle is value-based follow-ups for nurturing, and the bottom is conversion, where you book calls and demos. N8N automates all 3 stages. Future trends include AI agents managing full outreach cycles autonomously. We'll see voice message automation, hyper-personalization based on recent posts, and integration with video prospecting. Those who learn these automation skills now will lead the market. Here is your 5-day action plan. Day 1, sign up for N8N and build your lead list. Day 2, get your OpenAI key and test message generation. Day 3, build the complete workflow. Day 4, test with 5 leads. Day 5, launch and monitor results. To recap, scale requires automation. N8N plus OpenAI provides powerful personalization. Quality lists lead to high reply rates. Follow-up sequences close deals. And consistency, safety, and compliance ensure long-term success. AutomateNG is your AI automation partner, offering courses on N8N workflows, WhatsApp bots, and AI systems. Visit aiworkflow.com.ng for training and done-for-you services led by David Azuokwu. We provide resources for every level of automation user. Thank you for completing this training. Visit aiworkflow.com.ng to explore courses and services. Fill out the inquiry form for a custom recommendation or message us via WhatsApp. Comment Workflow for free N8N templates and subscribe for more AI tutorials.